When most people think about improving their property, they picture expensive renovations. Maybe it's adding a room, remodeling the kitchen, or completely redoing the backyard. Those projects can certainly transform a home, but they also take up a lot of time, money, and planning. The good news is that making your property more functional, more organized, and even more valuable doesn't always require a major construction project. Sometimes the biggest improvements come from solving everyday problems. Today, we're going to cover 7 easy ways to upgrade your property without taking on a full renovation. Whether you're running out of storage, dreaming of a workshop, or simply want to enjoy your outdoor space more, these ideas can help you get more from your property you already have. Let's start with one of the biggest frustrations homeowners face: storage. Over time, every family accumulates things: lawn equipment, bicycles, gardening tools, holiday decorations, sports gear, outdoor furniture, you name it. Before long, the garage is packed so tightly you can barely park a vehicle inside. Instead of constantly reorganizing or trying to cram more into your existing space, sometimes the simplest solution is creating dedicated storage. A portable storage building allows you to separate seasonal items from everyday essentials while keeping everything organized and easy to access. For smaller needs, an 8x12 building may be perfect for your lawn equipment and gardening tools. If you need more flexibility, larger sizes like a 10x16 or 12x20 can provide space for shelving, workbenches, recreational equipment, and much more. The biggest benefit isn't just having extra space, it's reclaiming the space you already have inside your home and garage. Next, let's talk about curb appeal. Many homeowners assume they need an expensive landscaping project to make their backyard look better, but that's often not the case. Simple upgrades can completely change how a property feels. Fresh mulch, defined flower beds, stone walkways, decorative lighting, even pressure washing fences and sidewalks can make a dramatic difference. Now imagine pairing those improvements with a well-designed portable building that actually complements your home. Today's portable buildings aren't just plain storage sheds. They're available in a wide variety of colors, roof styles, windows, and doors that can be customized to match your home's architecture. Instead of looking like something hidden behind the house, your building can become part of the overall landscape design. A well-placed shed surrounded by landscaping can become a feature and not just a storage solution. One challenge many homeowners eventually run into is finding space for hobbies. Maybe you enjoy woodworking, maybe you're into crafting, painting, automotive projects, running a small business, or maybe you simply need a quiet place to work from home. The problem is, these activities often end up competing with everyday family life. The dining room becomes an office. The garage becomes a workshop. The spare bedroom turns into a storage room. A portable building creates separation. Instead of constantly setting up and tearing down your projects, you have a space that's always ready to use. Many homeowners transform portable buildings into workshops, home offices, art studios, home gyms, music rooms, photography studios, small business workspaces. Having a dedicated area often makes hobbies more enjoyable because everything has a place and your home stays organized too. Over the last several years, homeowners have been spending more time outdoors than ever before. Outdoor living spaces have become extensions of the home. Maybe it's a fire pit, a patio, an outdoor dining area, a pergola, or simply a comfortable seating space where family and friends can gather. The great thing about these projects is that they don't have to be expensive. Even a modest seating area can dramatically increase how often you enjoy your backyard. Now think about what usually happens after creating those spaces. Where do you store the cushions? The outdoor games? The grilling accessories? The gardening tools? That's where a nearby storage building becomes incredibly useful. Instead of carrying everything back and forth to the garage, your outdoor essentials stay organized right where you need them. The result is a backyard that's easier to maintain and much more enjoyable to use. One of the smartest things you can do when improving your property is think beyond today's needs. Life changes, families grow, kids get older, hobbies evolve, storage needs increase. One of the biggest advantages of a portable building is its flexibility. Today's storage building could become tomorrow's workshop. That workshop might later become a home office. Eventually, it might even become a hobby room or creative studio. Unlike many permanent renovations that serve one specific purpose, portable buildings can adapt over time. That flexibility means you're investing in a usable space that grows alongside your family's needs. Large renovations often sound exciting, but they also come with plenty of challenges. Permits, contractors, construction delays, unexpected expenses, living through weeks or even months of disruption. Sometimes all you really need is additional functional space. Portable buildings provide exactly that. You gain usable square footage without modifying your home structure. For many homeowners, that's a much simpler and faster solution. Whether you need storage, workspace, organization, or simply room to spread out, creating functional outdoor space can deliver many of the same everyday benefits as a traditional addition without the long timeline. Here's one thing I think surprises most people. When they first start shopping for a portable building, they usually think they're buying storage. But after talking with customers, that's rarely where the story ends. We've seen buildings become home offices, she sheds, man caves, craft rooms, woodworking shops, home gyms, garden centers, photography studios. The possibilities are almost endless. The building simply becomes a space that allows your lifestyle to expand. Sometimes the best property upgrade isn't adding something to your house, it's adding possibilities to your property. Improving your property doesn't have to begin with a massive renovation. Sometimes it's the smaller, more practical upgrades that have the biggest impact on everyday life. Creating organized storage, building a dedicated workspace, enhancing your backyard, making room for future hobbies, or simply creating more functional space for your family. Each of these improvements helps you enjoy your property more without the stress of major construction. If you're considering adding extra space to your property, take some time to explore the different styles, sizes, and customization options available. You may find that the right portable building solves more than one problem at once. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos covering portable buildings, backyard projects, buying guides, and tips to help you get the most out of your property. And as always, you get more with Stor-Mor.